on the Imlay City, Michigan, USA. Hey guys, here comes a CN IDM30131 westbound train on the Imlay City, Michigan, USA area where Cam, yep. The westbound too, so here comes. Coming fast. So here it comes. There he is. To the right. Yep. Here comes. Hi. I'm waving. Hi. Two engines. Going fast. Wow. Mixedfreight. Yep, 401. I knew it. New car cars. Long train. This train is going fast. Well, yeah, he is. Holy cow. I got been to Argyle cigarettes. I'll catch you again on the Grand Michigan, USA area, okay? And on the Charlotte, Michigan, USA area too. That train is going fast. This one's on the Imlay City, Michigan, USA area. Yeah, he's going really fast. Comes again on the Imlay City, Michigan, USA area. Yep.